your device, a working internet connection, and the step-by-step instructions that I'll be laying out for you. So be sure to pay close attention to every single money-making minute of this short video. If today's method sounds good to you, smash that like button and let's get into it. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. So SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. And for whatever money-making method you carry out online, SEO will be really important. SEO basically looks at what people type into their search bar and uses the most popular words, so that whenever you post or upload something, it's relevant and it's what people are looking for. By having everything SEO optimized, you can get a lot more eyeballs on your link, video, page, or whatever you want. You can go on google.com and you can click on Google Trends. And this is a website where you can explore your keyword. Again, whatever you do, guys, it is important to have a keyword which is popular and will get a lot of traffic. For example, you can just type in fitness, do a worldwide search, and then you will have all the valuable information about how this keyword is rated. We can also type in to make money online, and these are the results that come up for that. So that's a super handy tool and tip that I wanted to share with you guys, and it's something that you can use with today's method. So let's get into that. The first website that I want to show you is BTC Clicks. Just type that into Google and click the first result that comes up. This is a website where you can get some Bitcoin for free. You can see that there are two types of users on this website. There are advertisers, and they're going to pay BTC Clicks some money, which will be shared with you. And just take a look at this. These guys have a referral program with a 40 to 80% commission, which is like the highest commission that you can find online. And I'm going to show you how to make the most out of this. So you just have to make yourself an account. Of course, go to Earners, sign up, quickly make yourself an account, and we can start making that money. Now, when you log in, this is going to be your dashboard. And as soon as you hit this, go on Referral Affiliate Tools. Now, this is going to be your moneymaker. So just copy this link, and this link is going to get you a lot of money. Now it's time for our SEO. So we're going to use this popular keyword, which is make money online. Or you can go with Bitcoin or whatever. And we're going to make a lot of money with it because whenever someone joins on this website through your affiliate link, you get 40 to 80% commission, and that's a lot of commission. Of course, you're going to withdraw that money afterwards, but you need a Bitcoin address, and you can just type that in here. Of course, you will need a wallet for yourself first. You can use this Exodus wallet, or maybe this Atomic wallet, or Coinbase, Binance.com. Whichever one of these you use, you are good to go. Now we need to actually get traffic to our link. For this, you can easily go on YouTube and you can just type in make money online, and you will have a lot of these various videos on how to make money online. Here's an example of someone, Mr. Money. You can have a look at his content to get some inspiration for yourself. Now, the next thing that you can do is you can click on filters here, and you can just click on Creative Commons. And these videos here don't have any copyright issues. So what you can do with these videos is you can easily download any one of these and you can re-upload them, and you don't get any copyright issues. But you do still get the traffic. You get that very much needed traffic for your BTC Clicks affiliate program. And what you have to do is you just have to paste that link in the first line of the description on your YouTube video. So when people watch that video of yours, they will just click on it and they will start making money on BTC Clicks. And of course, you will get a commission out of each person. Now that is easy money. Another website you can use to make money online is cointoply.com. And you can even get this on your phone as well. Just take a look at this. 500,000 downloads, and they have 4.4 stars. It's a really good website, and it can turn your free time into real money. And just take a look at this. 4.1 stars on Trustpilot. People really love it. There are a lot of satisfied people. This person said that this is the best site ever. And of course, they would say that because they're making money. So what you can do is you can simply sign up here so you can start getting that free crypto today. Of course, you can get Bitcoin. And what I wanted to show you is that if you click on websites, you can get a lot of money. So if you click on Earn Coins here and click on these View PTC ads, that's the place that you want to visit. So you can see this, guys. For example, you want to go and you want to use this for 15 seconds, this certain website, and you will get a certain amount of money. So all that you have to do is you have to go and click on it, but you don't have to go and you don't have to see what is on this page. You don't care what is on this page. You are just here for 15 seconds, and then you just have to complete this weird CAPTCHA, select Apple, as you can see, and you got that money. Okay, that's how simple this is, guys, and you just get paid, of course. You have a lot of these websites, and of course, you have various offers. You can play games, you can complete surveys, you can watch videos, whatever you want to do on this website. Cointoply is really good if you want to do surveys. They're $5 each. You have a lot of these partners. Just take a look at how many partners this website has. It is endless. And of course, my favorite method is to watch some videos. And you have a few partners for videos as well. For example, you have Hideout TV, you have Loot TV, and all of them are going to be listed down here. So you can choose for yourself, guys. Whichever one of these you want to get yourself involved with, just try it. Take some action and you will get that money. Now, of course, the more videos you watch, the more money you're gonna get. But the best part is that you don't even really have to watch the entire video. No one's gonna quiz you on what you watched. So you can just let it run in the background, and when you get back, that money is yours, okay? Just let this run in the background, go out and do something else, come back after the video is finished, and that's how you can make the money. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this useful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on, and I'll see you next time.